In this short video, I'm going to show you how you can import data into Salesforce using the online tool called Salesforce Workbench. You can access this tool by going to the URL workbench.developerforce.com and then signing in with your Salesforce credentials, and it will then connect to your Salesforce org. And you can do all sorts of data related tasks: insert, update, delete, run SQL queries, and much more. Just for demonstration purposes, I'm going to show you how you can create a new batch of leads using a CSV import file. So I've got a simple CSV file here, which has got 15 new leads here that I'm going to import. Here's the org as it stands. So it's a new Trailhead org that I created today. It's currently got 22 leads in today's leads. So if I create 15 more, then theoretically I should have 37 leads after the operation has completed. So in Workbench, there's a whole range of different things you can do. In this case, I'm going to say insert, which is create new records. Now the object is going to be lead, and then select. So you can choose to type in a single record, but in this case, I want to import via a file. I'll find my CSV file with new leads. Press next. From here, we need to map the headings on columns in our CSV file to the lead object. So we'll find company name. So the red ones are the mandatory fields, so that's absolutely required. Last name. I'll do first name as well if I can see it. And we've got phone, and then email was already done. So that's our 5 columns have been mapped to their 5 fields. We'll say map. So just give this a double check. So company goes to company name. Yep, happy with those. If you're doing a very large number of records, it's good to process asynchronously, which means it'll just do it as it's got system resources available instead of trying to push it all through at one time. But given I'm just doing 15, it's a no-brainer. So I'll now go confirm insert. So it now says success. So it's got these 14 new records were created. Here's the record IDs. Created and success. There were 14 successes and 0 errors. So from this point of view, it's gone well. I can now confirm that worked by going to Salesforce. So prior to the refresh, it said we got 22 leads. And if we created 14 more, then we should have 26 after we refresh. So after the refresh, the amount of leads we've got is 36. So all the new ones are there. So that means that was a successful operation. So that's a very simple demonstration of how to use Workbench to import new records into Salesforce. Hope that helps.